Good morning, it's Ron Reiser, Candy Capital Group from We Buy Houses Fast in Cash. Let me show you a great duplex opportunity for a great return. We are in Tampa. Let's walk you. This is a view on the street. We are walking now to a duplex of 2 units, a block duplex. This unit is occupied. Let's walk you out to the new move-in ready unit. You have tile throughout, very big and wide open space, especially for a duplex. You have even a space for a small island or a dining area. That's the living room. Show you again. You can see it's a very big and wide open space, amazing for a duplex. That's the kitchen. Kitchen is in great condition. Countertop looks good. Appliances. Let's walk to the bedrooms. It's 1 bedroom. New closet doors. New blinds, recently painted. ACs are from 2014, both of them. It's another bedroom. Let's walk you to the 3rd bedroom. Breaker box, looks decent by code. Big wide closet doors and closets. Let's finish with the shower. Great condition. Okay, let's do the tour. Final look about the wide open kitchen, the living room. Very nice backyard. The ACs are from 2014, recently updated as well. Overall move-in ready condition, fully occupied, great return. If you're interested, please email us at webuyfastincash@gmail.com. I repeat, webuyfastincash@gmail.com. This one will go very fast. Please call us for more info.